Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a special guest, my dear friend Siddhi. You have seen her in the first episode of Reset series, IIT Bombay Vlog. If you haven't seen that, go check it out. You would probably see it here or here. I don't know right now, but इधर दिख रहा होगा तो वो वीडियो देखना. ये वीडियो देखने के बाद today we are going to be ranking all the study hacks that we have used in the year 2025. तो तुम लोगों को पता चलेगा by the end of this videos which study hacks are actually good and which study hacks are the total scam. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. We actually have all the tier lists here. Tier का नाम वो सब ready है. तो सिद्धि hasn't seen this tier list before. तो पहले करेंगे. Yes. I will introduce you guys in our tier list. As you can see on the screen as well. First is the blueprint. The blueprint is basically like study hacks that are actually so good that they help build your future. So you will use them in the future as well. Then second is the lifeline. The lifeline is basically those study hacks that you use every single day. Like your every day cannot proceed without them. Third is crisis only. Crisis only is basically those kind of study hacks that you use only when you are in a crisis.
Like one day before exam.
Yes, exactly those crises. Then fourth is aesthetic trap. Aesthetic trap is basically those study hacks that use like that look good aesthetically or visually online, but they don't have any effect. Those kind of. And last is total scam. Total scam are just why are we even using those like that kind of hacks? So like अगर ये guys
Blueprint I think God level techniques असं बोलू शकतो ना. And then lifeline is everyday one.
Exactly. Blueprints are like non-negotiables. Like they are just the OG study hacks. And lifeline is basically it can differ person to person. So these are the 5 ranks we have, and then we have approx 11 study hacks.
Right.
First, as you can see, is the tomato with a timer. What can this study hack? Yes.
Because 25 minutes is there.
So this first hack that we are starting with the most controversial.
Right.
First is Pomodoro technique. Like what do you think? For you, where does Pomodoro lie?
So I have tried this Pomodoro, okay, but results are not that great. It's fine. They are not blueprint, not lifeline. I feel scam तो नहीं है. Crisis only aesthetic trap. I think aesthetic trap.
Crisis only can't be.
Right.
I feel they are aesthetic trap because ये जो 25 minute स्टडी 5 मिनट ब्रेक है ना, यूजुअली 5 मिनट का ब्रेक 2 घंटे का कब हो जाता है मेरे को समझता ही नहीं है. तो इसीलिए एंड कभी कभी क्या होता है पता है, जो 25 मिनट्स होता है ना उसमें भी आई फील सो लाइक फोकस्ड कि जब भी टाइमर खत्म हो रहा होता है मेरे को लगता है यार मेरा तो था फ्लो स्टेट में थी मैं, तो क्यों खत्म करना है और क्यों ब्रेक लेना है. तो आई फील लाइक यू शुड बी स्टडिंग अकॉर्डिंग टू योर like study plan, like not just जैसे तुम लोगों को टाइमिंग अच्छा लगता है, the timings that you prefer, you should be studying according to those. So I feel Pomodoro for me is a aesthetic trap. Like vlogs वगैरह देखने के लिए अच्छा है Pomodoro technique, but not for like actual
YouTube में वीडियो
बनाने के लिए. So Pomodoro, we are moving it to aesthetic trap. Second one is group study. Yes. This is like a side quest. This is becoming a side quest. Seeing if Siddhi can guess which hack this is. Right. So she has guessed 2 out of 11 right now. Yes, this is group study.
I think really good. It's not a scam. It works for me, but not in a big group. I have noticed कि मैं 2 या फिर 3 लोगों के साथ ही अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर सकती हूँ, और वो भी मैं लाइक एग्ज़ाम के पहले दिन या फिर एग्ज़ाम के पहले just 1 or 2 hours before. We don't really study. We just quick revision we do it. Crisis.
I mean, but yeah, it can be in crisis only because my reason for putting it in crisis only is that कि मेरे को लगता है इधर बाकी चीज़ों में ये फिट नहीं हो रहा है ग्रुप स्टडी. इट कांट बी अ टोटल स्टैप बिकॉज फॉर सम पीपल इट वर्क्स. क्राइसिस ओनली व्हाई आई एम पुटिंग इट बिकॉज पता है लास्ट मिनट यू हैव लाइक सम डाउट्स जिनके आंसर्स तुम लोगों को नहीं पता था एग्जाम के एक घंटे पहले. तुम लोग ऐसा होता है भाई आंसर क्या है मुझे पता होना चाहिए, पर इंस्टेड ऑफ सर्चिंग यू कैन आस्क योर फ्रेंड्स क्योंकि वो लोगों ने पढ़ा होता है एंड दैट वे लाइक तुम लोग का रिविजन भी और अच्छे से हो जाता है. तो आई विल पुट इट इन क्राइसिस ओनली एज वेल.
Good. And what?
So we are moving group study in classes only. Next, okay, you want to visit it?
Oh, morning study.
Yes.
Okay.
Like the study hack where you have to study at 5 a.m. or like very early morning. What do you think of those hacks?
I mean, I have seen my closest friends who like to study in the morning. They can study really good and score really well. I have my friend who study at 4 p.m. and then goes for me too. Like I can study at night too and in the morning too. बचपन में मैं मॉर्निंग में स्टडी करती थी लेकिन अब मुझे नाइट में स्टडी करना अच्छा लगता है. आई डोंट थिंक सो इट्स टोटल स्कैम. डिपेंड्स है. मुझे तो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है इसमें कहाँ डालना इसे.
मैंने भी I have never, I'm not a morning person. Usually, I prefer to study at night क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम के भी एक दिन पहले जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो रात में ही पढ़ते हैं. तो सुबह like I rarely woke up just to study in the morning. Like I don't remember last time when I woke up this early to study because I feel मतलब it's two way. Like मुझे ऐसे भी लगता है कि अगर 5 बजे उठे और सच में पढ़ाई कर लिया तो यू फील लाइक कि अ लॉट ऑफ बर्डन हैज बीन लेफ्ट. मतलब सुबह सुबह ही इतना 2-3 घंटा का डीप स्टडी कर लिया है तो अभी दिन में कुछ भी करे तो भी गिल्ट नहीं फील होगा.
राइट.
लाइक वैसा एस्पेक्ट है ये हैक स्टडी हैक का. पर मतलब इतना अफेक्टिव है नहीं. मतलब अगर तुम लोग नाइट पर्सन हो एंड यू आर स्टिल वेकिंग अप 5 in the morning just to study and just to implement this hack, then I feel it's not worth it. Like you should study based on what feels right to you, not because of a certain study hack says 5 a.m. then I have to wake up at 5 a.m. I don't think that's
So I think we should put it in ascetic trap.
yes. I think I mean it is. I will not say that it doesn't work. It works.
It works.
But like you should be like using it based on your preferences. कि अगर तुम लोगों को रात में पढ़ना अच्छा लगता है then it is not compulsory to wake up at 5 a.m. So
Obviously.
this is we are putting it in aesthetic trap just because it is based on preferences.
Right.
So if you are a morning person and you love this hack, then we are not saying it is wrong. If you are a morning person, then
Good for you.
this is like the best hack you could follow. But then which is the most aesthetic trap? I feel Pomodoro
like-
has to be like the first candidate. This is like it works for some people, it doesn't for me.
But
Pomodoro
it's
does.
like if it works, then it works really great for some people. And
yes.
if it doesn't, then it doesn't.
Next we have I
What
don't
is
think she'll guess this.
I think,
This is
wait. AI one.
Wow. Guys, I have not like she did not have any idea what kind of study hacks I was choosing. So and these are not like general icons.
Right.
Like these are like random. So I'm quite surprised. Yeah. This study hack is basically AI for everything. Like these days in like AI world, we use AI for like literally everything. For mails, for messages, for homework, for projects. So like what do you think of this hack? This study hack?
I'll say it's a red flag for me at least, because मैं जब भी मुझे कुछ टॉपिक नहीं समझ में आ रहा होता है तो आई यूज सम AI टूल्स टू टेक नोट्स और सम फ्लैश कार्ड वाला थिंग को इजीली अच्छे से हो जाता है. ब्लूप्रिंट तो नहीं बोल सकती हूँ क्योंकि इट्स नॉट द बेस्ट. वी हैव टू स्टडी on our own, but it can be lifeline if you are not using AI in this era. Then what you are doing for
But,
study.
but yeah, I agree. AI is basically like सब चीज़ों में यूज हो सकता है. लाइक तुम लोगों को कुछ मैसेजेस ड्राफ्ट करने में कंटाला आता है, फिर क्यों करना है ऐसा लगता है, तो AI कैन डू इट फॉर यू इन सेकेंड्स. देन जैसा सिद्धि ने मेंशन किया कि टॉपिक समझ नहीं आता है, तो लाइक इट्स सो इजी दीज डेज. लाइक AI से पूछ के फटाफट नोट्स या फिर रिविजन के लिए पॉइंट्स निकाल लेना. I personally, if you have seen the earlier video which was uploaded, where I tried to learn UI UX in a day.
Oh, हाँ.
She doesn't know I'm shooting this video. She's acting now. Oh, हाँ. She doesn't even know I have shot this video because we are shooting this way earlier. But oh, I saw, like I literally saw like the best act. Okay. But yeah, I have uploaded that. I know it. So I have uploaded it before. So that
You can check, guys.
Yes, but before this, you have 2 videos to check out. First episode and second episode. Obviously, this
First
is third
episode, please do check out. It's like fun. We met amazing person somewhere.
Yes.
Hmm.
Promotion for first episode is nice. Second episode, I tried learning UI UX, and for that I first used AI only. So I asked AI ki like what is the best way to study UI UX in a day. So basically I feel AI, coming back to third episode which is now, AI should go in lifeline. It is not the OG study app,
Exactly.
but it's a lifeline. You have to use it every day, and that's what lifeline is. Next,
It's easy. 2x पे वीडियो देखना.
where would you put it?
मैंने I guess it's crisis only because एग्जाम के पहले ही या फिर 1-2 घंटे पहले ही मैं ऐसे करती हूँ. So
I was going to put this hack in the blueprint, because if you're not watching videos on 2x speed,
Oh,
you're
yeah,
wasting
right,
half your life.
actually,
like
मैं
what are you doing?
But I don't really watch 2x पे video
I
every
mean,
day.
I'm not saying 2x पे enjoyment, entertainment videos देखना. I'm saying study videos on 2x.
हाँ वो
Like, whenever you consume any study, like you're saying guys, मेरे को अभी ये बोलते बोलते याद ऐसे समझा कि we watch entertainment videos on 2x speed, क्योंकि we have to enjoy every second of it. And study videos 2x पे लगा के इधर उधर काम करते करते देखते.
I don't really watch videos that much.
But like whenever like study videos, any study video that you consume exam के लिए, तो फिर do you put it on 2x or do you put it on normal speed?
1.5x.
This is some other case. I mean 2x में you include 1.5x, 1.75 as well. But I feel this should be the blueprint, because तुम लोग अगर सच में videos 2x पे नहीं
Productivity बढ़ाने के लिए.
yes productivity बढ़ाने के लिए 2x doesn't necessarily mean 2x, तो please मत बोल देना कि समझेगा भी नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं. It can be like I'm saying कि इसमें 1.5, 1.75 भी included है. तो but like I feel all the study videos that I've consumed, I've never consumed them on normal speed. That put it in blueprint. What about you? You agree?
I agree क्योंकि crisis में use करती हूँ, but whenever I watch it 1.5.
So yeah. So yes, our first blueprint 2x. Let's move it to the blueprint.
Actually, I'm more excited to guess what the techniques are.
Oh. I feel many of you who are watching, they also might be excited to guess कि क्या techniques लाए हैं करके.
Okay, let me guess.
Next.
I think it's versus na taking notes on phone and or in digital.
Yes.
What digital or
I mean,
physical?
basically this, we'll answer this question as well. But the study hack is taking notes digitally rather than physically.
Oh,
This
so
is the
better
study
than
technique.
that.
Yeah. So this study technique is saying digital note taking is better than the standard way.
So I have never done that. मुझे तो physically लिखना ही और वो मुझे याद रहता है. लेकिन digitally I only read which
But-
AI gave me.
But digitally it can also contain like तुम लोग iPad पे अगर note taking hand से कर रहे हो digitally, that also it contains.
Yeah, I know.
तुम लोग typing कर रहे हो वो भी it contains.
So
मतलब-
see na typing, why would I waste typing so much? So
I feel because I've seen both people. only take notes digitally.
Mhm.
Their note taking is basically doc पे notes बनाना. iPad पे भी. I've not seen anyone yet who takes notes on. Like I've seen iPad पे note take करने वाले on YouTube.
Right.
But I've not seen them in the real life yet. But like digitally भी I've seen like many people use it. Even I use it digitally. ऐसा laptop पे I make notes. कभी जो भी questions होगा it's like one-on-one like offer. AI use करते हो उसके बाद you use this digital note taking method जिसमें तुम डॉक में responses and questions ये सब डाल के रख सकते हो. और I have also seen people who prefer digital note taking because ये physical में paper waste होता है फिर बार बार pen waste होता है. Instead of that wastage they can like easily take notes digitally without any worry.
मुझे
And
ऐसा
also
लगा
backed
कि मैं डिजिटली तब यूज़ करती हूँ जब मुझे क्वेश्चन बन देते हैं राइट कॉलेज
हाँ so
से
answers.
ढूंढ के या फिर लिखना है देन
same.
डॉक में कलेक्ट करके रखना ओनली फॉर दैट सो इट्स
I mean
क्राइसिस ओनली या फिर एस्थेटिक बट आई थिंक क्राइसिस ओनली
for you.
या
But I've also seen people why people prefer digital note taking is because कि अगर उन्होंने घर पे नोट बनाए फिर भी they are synced up on their phone as well. तो कभी जा रहे हैं उधर भी फटाफट देख के they can revise. Whereas book का क्या होता है तुम लोगों के बैग में होगा नहीं होगा उस पर डिपेंडेंट होता है. अभी घर में बनाया भूल गए तो फिर नहीं फिर बाहर जाएंगे तो फिर वो निकाल के ट्रैवलिंग करते हुए पढ़ना इज डिफिकल्ट.
मैं डिजिटली एग्ज़ाम के वक्त अभी यूज़ करती हूँ लेकिन वो मेरा बनाया हुआ नहीं होता है इट्स लाइक मुझे PDF मिलती है सो आई रीड इट.
these kind of students who use दूसरे के notes to study for exams.
Obviously, why would
I mean I've also done that.
right? But it's crisis only for me.
But yeah, I prefer my notes over analysis in the
Good.
at the end of the day.
Actually good.
But वो भी like I've done it both ways. Like digitally भी notes बनाए हैं, physically भी notes बनाए हैं. Actually, I've made more notes physically rather than digitally. मतलब अगर first time notes बनाने का बारी आता है, I do it physically. But I feel it should be मतलब इसके लिए अभी ऐसे hacks हैं उसके लिए सूट नहीं करता. So digitally, what would you, where would you put this study at? Lifeline, digital. I feel like I should put it in Lifeline because, like, don't you take like few notes in your notepad, keep.
Yes,
I also use Notion, so I put notes in my Notion. So I think you should put it in Lifeline.
Yes.
Even if you take like small notes, in the end they're notes only. like, कुछ भी अगर important point note कर रहे हो तो that is note only. तो digitally कर रहे हो तो इसलिए Lifeline.
Okay,
what
I'm
is this?
excited.
I think you wouldn't guess this because I don't feel the actual icon is right. This is active recall.
Right, exactly.
But it is flashcards. So basically, active recall / flashcards. What do you think of those
Active recall plus
flashcards? Like
It's
have
good.
you- So
because it works for me.
I never got the chance to actually use flashcards.
Mhm.
Like I've never used them that much. So for that, I don't really know where to put them. Active recall, I have. Active recall is basically where you ask yourself a question. It's similar to flashcard, but flashcard in your memory. That
Mhm.
kind of.
Active recall I use.
I feel it should be Lifeline only, no? Like flashcards. Where would you put this?
Confused between crisis only and Lifeline because me too. I don't really use every time flashcards.
So I feel I put at crisis. Why would I put at crisis only? I don't know. I feel it should be Lifeline.
Then,
But you don't use it every day.
Right.
That's the problem. But it can be blueprint as well, like a OG study. Like
blueprint would be
I
good.
feel because active recall, whenever you do active recall, whatever that you're studying gets stored in your long-term memory.
Right.
So basically, it is good for you. तुम लोग long-term के लिए ज़्यादा दिमाग में रख सकते हो, remember कर सकते हो चीज़ें. It's good. So I feel it's even if you don't follow it currently, you should follow it because it's genuinely good for you. So that's why it will be in the blueprint.
I am so excited for this, just to guess. I think, is it no music while studying it?
But
Oh,
I feel because like I actually wanted to put this hack as well. This is basically noise cancelling, wearing noise cancelling headphones while studying.
Oh.
Like if you live in a hostel or a loud area, then people prefer to use noise cancelling headphones. So,
But I think I can't live without noise.
but
Whenever
like,
I'm
I feel like
studying,
we can take this exact icon two ways as well. Like first is noise cancelling,
And
second
second
is
is-
music. No music while studying. What do you think of that? First, let's talk about noise cancelling. Like if you are living in a loud area, would you prefer noise cancelling headphones while studying?
depends on what I'm studying.
But
If
then
I'm
that
just
will be
writing,
crisis only, no?
Right.
Like because loud noise hai, that is a crisis. For that you are using for
If
survival you are
I'm
using noise.
writing assignment or not really doing heavy work, then I won't use noise cancelling because I need noise music.
I mean, yeah.
But if I'm doing reading,
So quite important to work, then you would prefer noise cancelling.
right.
So but then we put it in crisis
Crisis
only.
only.
What do you think of no music? No music.
I like listening to music while I'm studying, like when I'm solving maths. So I like to listen heavy music like metal, ऐसा कुछ. But if I'm reading, then obviously it's not a good idea. But I do listen to calm music, no lyrics music, because I always
When studying is actually a good hack. Because if I'm like writing any assignment or something that is not really important, then music is okay. But if you're actually studying something or learning something, then if you're listening to music as well, I don't think you're actually studying.
Obviously.
Because in the end, you have to understand the content. And if you're listening to lyrics and lyrical music, I end up singing the song if I'm doing that.
Same here.
So I can't concentrate on what is being taught. That's why no music while studying would be actually a lifeline only. Next study hack.
I think-
we don't have total scam yet. This is
Right,
crazy, but okay. Because every hack is somewhat beneficial. So, next.
PYQs and PYQs.
That like this, like let me tell you, if you
You're an
haven't,
engineering
yeah,
student.
if you're an engineering student and you haven't referred to MU PYQs, you're cooked. Actually, I mean literally, because मतलब ये रेफर नहीं किया तो कैसे पढ़ रहे हो? मतलब बता दो हम लोग. This really is like this.
It's
You can pair it.
OG.
Yeah, this is OG. This like has to be moved to Blueprint. और
Right.
वो भी ऐसा first spot. But the key ये जो PYQs है, you can pair it with other things like active recall के साथ pair कर सकते हो, digitally answers लिख सकते हो, AI use करके answers निकाल सकते हो. So like this hack is just you have to use it. If you haven't used it for some weird reason, then use it. Google पे जाके सिर्फ ऐसा MU past question
Right.
papers type करना है तुम लोग को
And
और आ जाएगा.
Right.
Next.
Okay. It's like a digital detox thing, na? Like phone with some band kara.
Focus mode, like those focus mode that we
Locked
have.
in.
Whenever you are studying, you can't use any apps, anything.
Total scam. Because we need to use phone during, because we are now studying by phone, na? So, but
Yeah, I mean वो the problem is हम लोग वो a little side हुआ, but we are shifted in an era where all of us studying is now the only place where we can actually study is digitally. I mean, for me as well, it is useful, but for this hack to work, like I'm not looking at like from your perspective कि like phone लगेगा. Like imagine you're studying on a laptop and you put your phone on a focus mode कि तुम लोग अगर maybe like for me I use YouTube अलग, for you use Instagram अलग. So if your phone is on focus mode, you can't use YouTube, Instagram while studying. But now that I feel to follow along that hack, you need to be really disciplined.
Self-control.
Yeah, you have to have utmost self-control. कि I have started this hack and I have to follow it
Patience.
through. I am not that kind of person.
Hmm.
Like daily, I put a timer on my YouTube screen time, and I always say delete whenever it gets full. I am a person who does not have that self-control and discipline. So for me, it is total scam. Like Even if I put it in focus mode, I know in the end if I really want to use that app, I will just cut the focus mode and use it. So what's the point of this hack? The last hack.
Okay, I know. It's like public transport पे last में exam
Last,
के
yes.
दिन हम पढ़ते हो.
Yes.
I think it was.
It is crisis only, definitely.
Right.
Absolutely, like actual definition,
Of
epitome of
crisis.
crisis only. In the first,
First could be really great. Would be.
why isn't this working? Okay, finally.
We have our tier list finally done.
Yes, we have finished our tier list.
Nice.
This is how it is. I feel like many people would disagree, and let us know in the comments like
What
तुम
your
लोगों को
opinions are, thoughts are.
क्या तुम लोगों को कौन से tier में चाहिए था? If you disagree with us on some point, let us know in the comments.
And let us know if you know any other study hacks or if you have any other if you want to see
Any other content
Right,
with
like
this,
this.
let us know in the comments.
because it's fun.
We will see. But also let us know in the comments if you enjoyed watching this video,
Please
and if you are enjoying watching this series. If you did enjoy watching this video, then make sure to
Subscribe, like, comment.
and share this video with your friends. Also, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. You will see Siddhi in tomorrow's video as well.
Okay.
We are shooting it right now. But actually, ये जो ऐसा consecutive uploading series है, I'm doing it for the first time. So
It's a lot of pressure,
yes,
challenging work, but it's good.
yes. Tomorrow I will be trying to grow up in 24 hours. Stay tuned for the fun. Yes.
And
Thank
for
you.
me.
Yes. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
I'll see you
Bye.
tomorrow. Bye bye.